Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, multifunction display, power windows, power steering, cargo area light. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.